Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slow cooker teriyaki chicken. The ingredients that we're going to need today are low sodium soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, honey, brown sugar, ginger, garlic cloves, onion, scallions, and also chicken breast. Okay, I have all my ingredients measured out. You want a half a cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 4 large garlic cloves minced. You want to grate your ginger, and you only want 1 teaspoon, 1 onion diced. I have my scallions chopped, and we also need 3 large chicken breasts. Okay, in a bowl, you want to add in your soy sauce. I'm going to add our honey. Your sweet chili sauce. Your rice vinegar. Brown sugar. Your sesame oil, your minced garlic, and also our ginger. And all you want to do is mix it until it's well combined. Now you can go ahead and set that to the side. Now we're going to take our slow cooker and we're going to place our chicken breast inside. Over top of your chicken breast, you want to go ahead and put your minced onion. Now I'm just going to add my sauce over top. Now we can go ahead and put our lid over top. Now you want to set your slow cooker for 4 hours on high. Okay guys, when you get down to your last 40 or so minutes, you want to go ahead and put a pot of white rice on. Okay guys, to a pot I added 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the water starts to boil, I'm going to add 2 cups of rinsed long grain white rice. Now that the water is boiling, I'm going to add in my white rice. I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. And you want it to go ahead and boil until the majority of the water is absorbed. All you want to do is stir it around some. You want to keep an eye on it. As you can see, the water has evaporated some, So we're going to turn down our heat to the lowest flame possible. And we're going to cover it up with aluminum foil. And we're going to go ahead and place our lid on top nice and tightly. And you're going to let that cook for 30 minutes. And guys, you don't want to remove the lid at all. Just let it continue to cook. Okay guys, after 30 minutes our rice is done. I'm just going to go ahead and fluff up the top of it. Okay guys, our chicken is now done. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the chicken breast. You can see how soft they are. So I'm going to remove it from our slow cooker and place it onto the plate. Look how good they look. Okay, next guys, we're going to take our sauce out of the slow cooker. We're going to go ahead and pour it into a large measuring cup. Once you have your sauce into a measuring cup, you're going to go ahead and get a bowl and put a strainer over top. We're going to pour our sauce into the strainer because we want our sauce to be nice and smooth. Now I'm going to take a spoon and just press down so we can get as much juice out as possible. Once you're done, you can discard of this. On the saucepan over medium-low heat, you can pour in your sauce. I'm going to let that come to a light boil. Now you want to get 1/4 cup of water. You want to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to it. And we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Once your sauce has come to a light boil, we're going to add our cornstarch and water mixture. We're just going to mix it until it's well combined. We're going to go ahead and let it cook for a little while until it thickens up, about 2 minutes. Our sauce is thickening up. We're going to go ahead and grab a fork and begin to shred our chicken breast. After 2 minutes, you can go ahead and turn your heat off. As you can see, our sauce has thickened up. Okay guys, once you shredded all your chicken breast, we're going to go ahead and take our sauce and pour it right over top of our chicken. Okay guys, so I have some white rice and I topped it with our teriyaki chicken. Now I'm going to grab some scallions. I'm just going to put it over top for garnish. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.